Okay, this is an early morning ride back to California from a weekend in Arizona desert. I came across these beautiful, unusual rolling hills or mounds. As I passed by, I just had to um, put the Mavic up in the air and see if I can get a better caption of it. Beautiful sunrise. I think I have the same filter, number 6. It's capturing pretty good. And there's the beautiful sunrise again. And back off in the distance there, somewhere in I think a mile or so, maybe more, is the Mexico border, and off into Mexico that's looking toward San Diego. And my first aqueduct I am actually visiting and seeing with my own eyes. I've studied about them and seen other videos with them in it, but it's my first actual aqueduct and I am very impressed. And there is I think it's a RV park or a truck park. Looks like there's several RVers out there camping out in the desert, right off the highway. I did not want to get too close because of the high voltage wires there, and I did not know what kind of effect they would have on my range or signals. So rather than losing contact and having to fall out of the sky, I just rather just come on back home.